Hello guys, I'm here from Wizard Army, and in this video, welcome back to another video. Tutorial video where today I'm gonna show you today how to download Minecraft Steam Extreme Launcher, and the link will be in the description below. It'll take you into ArcLight, and yeah, and you're gonna just click skip ad. When you click, oh sorry, no. Okay, I'll take you an ArcLight and finish the thing. Wait, click here to continue. I'll be right back, guys. I'm just yeah. Let's wait here. Wait a bit. Here. This. I want here. I'll click skip ad. Exit the ad file, I think. And now what you're gonna do is click guys. Sorry for that. This is not my laptop. This my own laptop because it's so lag. Sorry for the lag because this is not my laptop. My laptop is I don't know where it was. Sorry for that, but it's okay. And when it's done, you gotta click download button. When it's done, I already clicked that. Download that, and it's done. Go to the folder where you save it. Okay. And then you have click Minecraft. Okay, you open it. Guys. Okay, just wait, guys. Okay, when it's done, we'll back guys when it's done, and see you later. Okay, guys, when it's done, closing out. I just opened. No, sorry. Instead of then, I just accidentally X. Yeah, open it again. Sorry for it. Okay, you just wait. Sorry guys. Okay, just wait. Okay, I'll be back again in a bit because I just clicked exit a bit. Sorry, guys. And I'll be back in a bit. Okay, guys, I'm back, and yeah, let's see for it. It's Steam Extreme Launcher, and yeah, just put your name on. I'll put my name here, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the Minecraft. You can change your profile to Forge, or I just have Forge. Oh, that's some WG. This some WG Minecraft server. Yeah, just click play and have fun. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and join Wizard Army. Stay good. Bye.